Go to Filter menu, Blur after Gaussian blur. Set amount. Go to File menu and choose Place Embed. Select your image. Click on Place. From Windows, activate Properties. Click on Convert to Layers. Now click on Remove Background. Right-click on Layer Mask, choose Apply Layer Mask. Adjust image size accordingly. Go to File menu and choose Place Embed. Select your image and click on Place. Go to Properties. Click on Convert to Layers. Now click on Remove Background. Apply Layer Mask. Ctrl+J to duplicate image. Go to Image menu, Adjustments, Desaturate. Change blend mode to screen. Press Ctrl+L, open Levels Adjustments layer. Follow the process. Add a layer mask. Choose Rectangular Marquee tool. Follow the process. Hold Alt and drag the layer mask to copy. And press Ctrl+I to invert. Follow the process. Adjust image size. Make sure foreground color is white. Choose Brush. Select Layer Mask of the top layer. And follow the process. That's it. Brush link in description. If there is any question, you can ask in comment section.